you get your drone, first off, great purchase. It's just super awesome, let's be honest. But now you need to format the SD card. Either it came from a different format or you just need to free up some space. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we've got the controller and the DJI. So what we need to do is just pair them up first off. So go ahead and get everything set up and linked together. Good to go. Hook up phone. DJI Fly. Let's go ahead and connect the aircraft. DJI Mini 2. All right, we're all connected. All right, so synced up, go fly. Top right option button, click that. Camera, scroll down. You see SD card, got about 6 gigs on a 32 gig card. So you're gonna click the format right there. Do you wanna confirm? Yup. Format, boom, good to go. Reset, check our album. We're all clear. There you go. Thanks and enjoy your drone.